Hello guys, today we will demonstrate a new feature called jamming detection. It's a part of many features which will be part of a new product for jamming applications. This feature is basically an alarm feature to detect jamming attacks on your devices, for example domotic appliances. Now we will use the app to launch the alarm. While there is no attack, the application shows a green status, and we will try to emulate the attack by pressing a remote button for a long time, and there the alarm is triggered on both on the app and on the device, red LED. When we stop the attack, the alarm goes to its normal state. We can use another remote to trigger the alarm. That's it. Thank you for watching.